You're having breakfast.
Why have you got two?
What two?
What did
She
you do
got
again?
one for you, huh?
What did you do? Anything interesting?
Oh, yeah, that's
No,
cool.
just not.
Like that 10 o'clock. I don't like it. Don't do it. You're pushing. Tempting fate. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Morning mga kachika, kain-kain tayo. Ayan yung ulam ko to kagabi, pork belly ba na, nangitim na. Hindi pa man siya super sunog din. Nano ko ba, minarinate ko ba siya ng tuyo? Good morning sa. Alin na nandun pa sa taas na nagbibihis. Di ba, kung tagal-tagal naman. Ulam ko to last night. May natira ba? O ulamin ko ulit. Ito pa din yung sinasawan ko.
Huh?
Ayusin ko lang yung... Yung ano pala ito. Kain na. Kain tayo. Ready na ako. Di ako lang maayos na tulog ba kay nag-bed na ako kagabi mga 11 o'clock. Sus kay inuubo ako magdamag. Uy, kahit kanina. Sabi nga ni Mr. Huwag kang pumasok ba. Wala naman akong temperature mga kachika. Parang nanghihina lang ako sa ubo ko ba. Ganun. Hindi ko alam. Doon kasi nag-change yung weather naman dito. Diba? Mainit na naman dito. Ganun kasi dito pag mag-change yung weather, yung lalamig. Tapos yung katawan mo mabigla ba. Kasi nga mainit. Tapos biglang lalamig. Tapos pag pag malamig, tapos mainit na naman, bigla na naman yung katawan namin. Nung Sunday at saka Monday, hindi ako nakapag-take ng vitamin C mga kachika. Kaya doon ko naisip na siguro yun yata yun, di ba? Sa katawan ko nasanay na. Kasi lagi ako nagtitake ng vitamin C. At yung 2 araw hindi ako nakapag-take, yun na yun. Nakainom ba? Doon nag-start na parang ano ko, lalamunan ko. Aw. Sakitin ang aking tainga. I think alin na tapos na yung nagbihis. Naglalaro na naman yun ng Barbie niya. Sa taas. Kaya naririnig ko nagsasalita na naman. Na! Oh.
5.
No, wait lang. I'm tutok ng tititagan, ma.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Put a little bit more if you want.
5 is my favorite number.
5,
5 is my favorite number.
5, yeah. Because it's your birthday.
Oh, that's your birthday. It's coming.
Ang sarap nito ba? Yung pork belly. Ayun, say good morning.
Good morning.
Sige na, pag-eat na. Lamig yata sa Lisa kaya gusto mga kakabar.
Huh? I'm going outside.
Eat na, Bill.
I'm going to listen.
A little bit more, yeah. Okay, kain tita Grandma.
Mama.
Kain po. Tulog pa si Mayor.
What?
They're downstairs.
What?
They're downstairs.
Are you going to bus?
Yeah. Okay. You're having breakfast.
I'll take you, Jenny. Let me take you.
Wanna take me?
Yeah, of course. What time is it?
It's 8 only.
No, I'll take you.
Okay. 8 o'clock pa lang mga kachika. So sabi niya na magbabas pa ako. Sabi ko na oo. Sabi niya nung oras na. Sabi ko alas 8. Eh, sabi niya sige hahatid na lang din nila ako. Kasi gising na yung mga bata. Minsan kasi kaya ayaw ko lang din magpahatid kasi nga na pagtulog pa yung mga bata, ayaw ko nagisingin. So ngayon magsasampay lang muna ako kasi meron pa naman ako kahit mga let's say 40 minutes pa or 30 minutes. Magiinom pa din ako ng aking vitamin C, hindi yan pwede makalimutan. Iniinom ko pa yung kape ko. Magsasampay lang muna ako sa labas. Careful. Oh my goodness. I get your hat. Dito na yung tatlo. Hindi pa nila alam na nandito na ako eh.
Mama! Mama! There's flower.
You got flowers for me? Okay. Are you feed the fish? Yeah. You got my first. You miss me? I miss you too. Thank you, na.
There you go, Mama.
You got flowers for me?
It's always birthday. You're gonna get ready.
Yeah, we're gonna get ready. Let's go. Okay, you hold that first. You hold it.
I can see a bright light right there.
Bright light?
Mama,
Oh, yeah.
I got trains.
You got trains?
Yeah.
What trains?
Like
Okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
Granny's train. What? A big train, Mama.
Okay, I help Alisa. The crackers.
There's a kind of share. Of course. There you go. Thank you. You can't have one, Alisa.
I think the seagulls
Ella, look, there, oh.
Huh?
I think they go there if they see the food. Yeah.
And they get the fish as well, I think. Huh?
Yeah, looks like. Nakabihis na kami mga kachika. Yung itsura ko talaga. Sobrang stress ang pagod ko ngayon ba. Dalibi. Ko yung ano, you still got your nail polish all over your. Papasuot daw siya ng necklace. So, ayan. Papasuotan natin. Dami kong ano na naman kami ngayon ba. Nag-deep cleaning na naman kami sa ibang rooms. Last week nung Tuesday sa ano kami ng deep cleaning sa taas. Ngayon na naman sa baba. Mahirap kasi nga magmo-move ka ng mga furniture, mga wardrobe na mabibigat, ganun. Dali na! Don't play with that. Come here, look, I'm gonna take care of your...
What?
Your hands. Wala pa akong pahinga ba? Talaga. Kapag upo-upo din naman ako doon sa work mga 20 minutes. Kasi natapos ako ng mga 2:30. Tapos ano lang ako ng sheets. Ganun. Ito lang yung papasuot nila. Pinaternuhan ko lang sila ba mga kasi.
I'm here, Mama. Look.
Yeah.
Have a look.
Oh my God. Kasi, di ko alam kung ano kasi pupunta kami sa yung place naman ay gymnastic. So, ayan. Let's go. Tara. Sobrang dumi ng walls. Iwan ko kung anong may sala rin dyan. Si Alisa na naman. Tara, let's go. Going. Standing up. You gonna wear that shoes, Lina?
Huh?
You gonna wear that shoes? How about the one you use for your PE?
I hold that, Mama.
You hold that one. Okay, you hold that one.
I got them because I got all those. And that's my class. I can go hold it.
See.
Mama,
Yeah.
I made my sister show me my. I think I do movie shoes.
Yung malapit na mga kachika, dyan lang naman banda. Yung pupuntahan namin ba. Nakapunta na kami dati. Noong, kailan ba yun? Ano na din, magto 2 years na din. Last time na una punta namin. And then ngayon na lang din yung pangalawa.
You go to gymnastics.
Yeah, that's the way. Alina know how to go there.
That's the one. I'm so excited. Excited. I'm excited that day.
Which way is in? Let's see. Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, then we go that way.
Oh, it's exit. Let's see. What is it?
Yeah, we can, this one here.
What?
Yeah, we can go here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. No matter.
Parking, yeah.
No matter.
Oh,
Stickers.
hello everyone.
Turkey.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's how your
No, the windows
music.
are down.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the windows are down. It's a good song.
You had fun there?
No.
Yeah. Must be tired now, and your Lisa still want to go to the. I think Alina, that's Alisa. You're not gonna eat all that because you had yours already.
Wait, why have you got two?
What two?
What did he
She
do
got
again?
one for you. Huh?
What they do? Anything interesting?
Oh, yeah,
Nagpunta kasi habang nandoon kami sa party mga kachika, magpunta yan siya sa nagpun-shopping daw siya. Kasi may mga kailangan kami.
What the heck?
Alisa, I got the watermelon here. She didn't have her watermelon, Daddy?
Yeah, she wants it. I said, go wash your hands. She screamed at me.
Ah, okay. Lina!
Where's the joint?
You help Alisa switch off the water, please. Oh my God, what's that?
Never ending. Where the hell are you joining?
Na! Yeah. Put me in, Daddy. I try.
No, 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 no. That's not nice. That's not nice. No, no, no. That's not nice.
Oh my God, it is.
No, no, no.
It's nice. Oh my God.
Don't say, don't do things like that.
Scary that.
You're going to happen. You know? Don't force it.
Why? You gonna do it to me?
I'm not. Maybe somebody else. Jenny, don't talk about such stupid things. I don't like that kind of talk. I don't like it. Don't do it. You're pushing. Tempting fate. You ever heard of that? Tempting fate?
No. Oh my
No.
God. Maybe I use this for garbage outside.
Right, yeah, of course. We can use it here as well.
But it's not. It's gonna fall here. There.
What?
Fall.
I'd say better than the other thing. Too tight.
Galit tuloy.
Yeah, here's your alcohol.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got this one as well.
Yeah.
Oh, you buy two. Pag bibili siya ng escape, hindi talaga yan isa. Pero may dalawa or tatlo. Kasi minsan, wala silang stocks na ganito sa Sainsbury's. Ayan. Sabi ko, magbili ka ng beer kasi medyo warm na yung weather ba? Para naman makapag-beer naman tayo minsan. Ang dantay na ginagawa ko kasi parang hindi okay yung aking pakiramdam. This one. You got cloth here. This one, oh, you used this before, and then we wash it, and then we keep it for this. Marami-rami din palang pinamili niya. Quite a lot. You shopping.
What?
Quite a lot. Oh, this is rubbish.
What are you doing? It's garbage. Get out of there.
Yeah, I thought it's shopping as well.
What the hell are you doing?
You wanna want your tea far? Have your tea far? Oh my God, it's nearly 6 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll have some tea. Come on, man. Yeah.
Ah. Ate, may nag-comment yung mga kachika, bakit daw hindi daw hinihiwa yung watermelon para hindi na mahirapan yung bata daw pagkain. Minsan gusto niyang ganyan mga kachika kasi gusto niya na gagamitan niya ng spoon. Kaya hindi yan namin na kagustuhan namin na ayaw namin ikat yung watermelon. Gusto niya rin talaga na ganyan minsan. Minsan ipapakat niya. So depende lang sa mood niya. Pero hindi naman niya kinakain mga kachika yung buto. Marunong mo siya magtanggal.
Oh, look. I'll show you.
Alina is on the iPad again.
Look. Well,
Ito lang pala naman pinagbibili niya na ito yung binili niya sa M&S. Ayan, salmon, tsaka blowers. Dinagdagan kahapon, nag-food shopping din niya sa mga kachika.
She threw up today.
Oh!
This out. Too much in her mouth.
Ah.
Into the soup.
Ayan, lemon. Bumili pa niya siya ng lemon grapes. Saka ito ngayon, binigyan na naman ako.
These are good for you. I read about them. Walnut.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some of that to work. Alam niyo, nagdala ako ng blueberries kain ng mga kachika sa work. Hindi ko nakain pala. Kasi nilagay ko sa fridge doon ba. Gusto ko kasi ito pag medyo galing sa fridge, ganun. So, nakalimutan ko. Sana bukas nandoon pa yon. Ay, sasa. Where's Alisa? Uy, what are you doing there? Nilinis na siya. Alisa! Sakyan si Mayor. 7 o'clock na pala mga kachika ng gabi.
I'm showing this New Zealand to me.